Hi guys, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Dishes are Ajab. Today's show, I'm going to show you how to make waffles. Now I'm using the self-raising flour from Ajab and it's perfect for this one. And the one that I have is shaped in little animals. There's the lion. I think this is the hippo or the elephant. Of course, even if you don't have this kind of a waffle machine that I use in this video, there's the other ones that are round. It's up to you. So I hope you learned something new. Let's get going. So for the ingredients for the waffle mix, I have some milk. So this is 250 ml of milk. We have one egg. I have sugar. Now for the sugar, I'll explain about the sugar. Actually, it's about 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar. And I have the self-raising flour from Ajab. Now, the self-raising flour is really important here. I've actually tried doing pancakes or even actually pancakes with the mandazi flour. It did not work. Now, the first thing I want to do is mix the ingredients. Now, when making a waffle mix, and basically, to be honest, this is also a pancake mix. And then I'll actually even do the sugar right now. So 4. And to be honest, even for the waffles or even pancakes for that matter, you can always add more sweetener, either syrup, maple syrup, or even honey to get the sweetness that you need. Now to this, I'm going to add the flour. Now, self-raising flour. Now the trick whenever you're doing this, when you're making the waffle mix or even pancake mix, is that you need it to be thick. So I'm going to add flour until it's thick. So when you're doing this is another tip that you need to learn is that I'm adding the flour without sifting it. The reason why I'm doing that and I can do that is because I have a whisk. And again, if you watch my the video for pancakes that I did using buttermilk, this is the same consistency that I had, but I used way less flour than I have used right now, and it's because of the milk. So thickness is perfect. This is exactly how I want it. It could be a little bit thicker, but in case you put too much flour, you can always add a little bit more milk. So this is fine. You can add lemon zest, you can add vanilla essence, or you can add orange zest to give it flavor. So now, waffle machine, a little bit about it. Now, they have different shapes. Now, this one has a shape of animals, an elephant, a lion, and I think rabbit. But whatever it is, they're fun for the kids. And then when you turn it on, I've turned it on, you wait for either of the two lights to go off. In this case, it should be the green. When the green light goes off, that means it's hot enough. And the other thing I didn't add when I was doing the mixture is add a little bit of oil, like about a tablespoon of oil. Now the mixture, you only need to put it on this side just until it reaches the top of this side. And then what will happen when you close it, it will puff up. As it puffs up, now the pancake, the mix, it will go in, to this other side and then it will brown. Now the light has gone on, that means it's starting to cook. So when it goes off, that will mean that it's ready. It's ready. So light is off, so that means they are ready, and it's hot. Ouch. Now, see, now this is what I was saying about the excess. The excess will be cut off. So use a tong. Now when they are crispy, these edges you can actually even cut them. You can either use a knife to cut off the edges to get the shape that you get the shape right. So our waffles are ready. I've tasted one off camera. It's really nice. But one thing I need to mention is that the longer that they stay in the waffle machine, the crispier that they get, and also the amount of mixture. Like this one, I think the mixture was not too much, so it will not rise to both sides so that it gets browned on the edges. Now you can use honey, maple syrup. The amount of sugar that I had put, which was 4 tablespoons, it's enough. And you can always add more if you want. You can dust them with icing sugar. The list is up to you basically. Remember, we are using the self-raising flour from Ajab. This is Dish the Ajab. I'm signing out. I'm Chef Raphael, and until next time, goodbye.